Nine News can reveal SA Water is spending millions of dollars on a major project to stop burst water mains across the city. The Australian first technology installed underground to identify weaknesses in our water pipes before they become gushers.
Below the surface of Adelaide CBD, hundreds of new sensors are now in place, listening, monitoring and looking for trouble in our water pipes.
We've got something that has not been done at this scale in Australia.
Flow meters, acoustic sensors and water pressure alarms are part of what SA Water calls its new smart water network. The utility provider hoping it's smart enough to identify burst water mains even before they occur.
They will detect that something is going on, and they will basically call a crew and say, we've got an issue at this place and we need to go on site and check the situation.
The problem has long been an embarrassing one for the state and devastating for homes affected. Last year, a series of burst mains inundated entire streets in Paradise and Campbelltown, while just last week, water shot from the road straight into a home at Hectorville, while leaking pipes brought the city to a standstill.
We want to do more, and technology is the way of the future, and the more technology we can build into our pipe system, the more we can keep on top of that and get to these problems before they can become major problems.
But the new sensors will only protect the 10.5 square kilometres of the Adelaide CBD for now. If the system proves a success, it'll be rolled out to also protect the suburbs. That, though, will take time and money. The CBD trial has already cost SA Water $4 million. Jared Brevy, 9 News.
9 News. See for yourself.